Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Let's Start with Maddie Frost. Today I am relaxing on the couch because it is a Caturday episode and I'm posting this on Saturday because it's Caturday. Caturday is all about just doing as the cats do on the weekend and hanging out, relaxing, and drawing. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's celebrate Caturday. Ah. All right, my friends, let's draw our cat on Caturday. So I'm gonna start with a oval shape like this. Boop. Great. And then I'm gonna put in some ears. Little inner ear line there. Okay. Some stripes on top of this cat's head. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. And I think I want to add a hat because that's cute and cozy. So I did a little line there, and then I'm gonna go up and down like that. And we'll put a pom-pom on top. And maybe some cozy little dot texture. Okay, and now I'm going to put in some eyes. So 2 circles. Like that. And I want to make the eyes into glasses. So all I have to do is connect the 2 circles in the middle, and we can add the sides of the glasses like that. I think it's cute to have it sort of popping off the side of his head. Okay, and how about some whiskers just below that? Oh yeah, gotta have those whiskers, right? Great. And now I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to move to the book that our cat is holding. So to do that, I'm gonna draw a letter V right here, kind of just below those whiskers. A really wide V, right? And I'll do the same shape a little bit below like that. Up. Great. And then we can, these 2 corners right here will be the spine of the book. And then to create some pages in the book, I'm just going to start from maybe one side and go up and kind of connect it down back here. So it looks like there are some pages sticking out like that. Great. Maybe you can, if you have space, you can make 2 pages like that and add a little line. Okay, and now we need to show our cat holding the book. So to do that, I'm going to do some paw. So 1 paw here, 2, 3, and on the other side. Okay, and I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Whoop, just like that. And I can make his arm 2 there. And if you're drawing with a pencil, you can erase this line here and there. That's totally fine. And maybe you can decide what your cat is reading about. So I'm just going to do, my cat's reading about some fish. All about fish. Okay, and then let's put in our cat's nose. So I'm going to start on top of the page here and just do a little half circle there. Great. Inside the circle, I'm going to put my cat's nose. So it's just, I like doing an upside down triangle, but if you have another shape for a cat's nose, go ahead and do it. And I'll put a little line there. Now I want to show that he's reading the book, so maybe instead of putting the eyes in the middle, I will put them like this. He's on this page over here. Great. And now I want to put my cat on a chair. So this can be kind of tricky, right? I'm going to start with the bottom of the chair. So let's see, let's start at the bottom of the book on the left side and just do a little long oval there. I didn't go all the way through. I stopped there to show that he is sitting on top of that chair. Now I'm going to start from this side here. I'm just going to do a really big mountain shape. Whoa, all the way to this side. Excellent. And we can put in some arms of the chair. I don't know, I just kind of keep it simple like that. Great. And some legs of the chair. I'm just gonna put two like this. Little shapes. And our cat needs some legs, right? So I like to kind of angle them a little bit like this. So looks like he's really sitting. Now we need a tail. So you could do it on this side or this side. I'm gonna go over here, curl it up like that. Oh, and maybe there's a couple more stripes. That's cute. Excellent. So that is our cat reading on a chair. If you would like to add a little more detail to your picture, we can do a little bookshelf with a lamp. So I'm gonna slide this over so you can see. And I'm gonna start with a square. So I'm gonna go right to where the bottom of the legs are on the chair, so I know that it's all sort of on the same level and plane. And here's my square. Do your best. Slide it up so you can see. And we're constructing our bookshelf, so I'm gonna I'll do a double line. So this is the shelf. And to draw some books, if you watched the librarian episode, you will know all about how to draw books. I keep it simple and I just do some long rectangles. Some books can be facing out where we see the pages. And you can just go along. Maybe there's, a slanted book. Like that. Do another one facing out with some pages. Really simple. Excellent. And then we can put some books on the bottom or whatever you want, really. Whatever books or whatever is on your bookshelf. Go ahead and draw that. And maybe there's like a little basket or something. I don't know. I like to draw baskets just like this. Yeah, simple, right? Excellent. And let's put a little lamp in because we definitely need some reading light for our cat reading a book. So I like doing a little circle lamp. Like that. And then I'll put a couple lines like this. And I will draw the lampshade, which is basically, I put a line like that, down, down, and then you connect it like that. And you can do some little ridge marks there. And my favorite little part of drawing lamps is the little light switch. Excellent. Awesome job. Well, I hope you are enjoying your Caturday and relaxing and reading. And thank you so much for joining me and drawing with me on Caturday. Happy relaxing. Do, 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 do. Caturday, Caturday. Dun, 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 dun. Caturday, Caturday.